Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beautiful sound. Achieving beautiful sound starts with understanding the fundamentals of acoustics and selecting appropriate equipment. Invest in quality components, from microphones to speakers, as they form the backbone of your audio chain. Crucially, treat your listening or recording space with acoustic panels to minimize unwanted reflections and echoes. These foundational steps are essential for creating a clear and immersive sonic experience, whether for music production or casual listening. To capture beautiful sound, mastering recording techniques is paramount. Position your microphones strategically, often within 6 to 12 inches of the source, to capture the desired tone. Select the correct microphone type, such as a condenser for vocals or a dynamic for drums, for optimal results. Always record in a quiet environment and monitor your audio levels carefully to prevent any clipping or distortion, ensuring a clean initial capture. Once recorded, mixing is where your sound truly comes alive. Begin by balancing the volume levels of all tracks to create a cohesive soundstage. Apply equalization to sculpt frequencies, perhaps boosting highs by 3 decibels or cutting lows by 5 decibels to enhance clarity. Use compression to control dynamics and add punch, ensuring consistent loudness. Finally, add subtle reverb or delay to create a sense of space without muddying the mix. The final step to beautiful sound involves optimizing your listening environment. Arrange your speakers symmetrically, forming an equilateral triangle with your listening position, for an accurate stereo image. Install acoustic panels on walls and ceilings to absorb reflections, reducing echo by up to 50%. Calibrate your monitoring system to achieve a flat frequency response, ensuring you hear the sound as it truly is. Remember to take regular breaks to prevent ear fatigue and maintain objectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.